Doing this in 2023 can wreck your faceless YouTube channel growth. Hi there, Gareth of Channel Profits here. In today's video, I want to share an important update that you need to be aware of when growing a YouTube channel. This goes for branded and faceless channels alike. In general, YouTube automation refers to channels where you outsource your content creation to freelancers. But with the rise of AI, the automation part can be done without the need for human workers. But there is one task that you really need to be outsourcing, at least until technology catches up. And that task is, drumroll please, thumbnails. A couple of years ago, probably only about half of all YouTubers even bothered to use thumbnails at all. So by creating something on tools like Canva or Snapper, you could easily stand out in most niches. Fast forward to 2023, and most channels have now caught on. They realize that if you don't win the click race, then it doesn't matter how good your video is. The thumbnails you create yourself, unless you're a designer, probably aren't good enough. I've personally seen a decline in click-through rates on a couple of channels that I still do the thumbnails for. And a reduced CTR means videos won't go viral or YouTube won't push them as far, regardless of the quality or your average watch time. So until AI can generate amazing thumbnails tailored to human psychology, you need to be investing in this. I've seen channels with much crappier videos than mine grow twice as fast for this reason alone. Their titles and thumbnails are pulling more attention and getting clicks. So YouTube gives their video a boost in the algorithm. Unless you're in a low competition niche, then good just doesn't cut it anymore. So if you're going to invest in outsourcing anything for your channel in the beginning, make it your thumbnails. As always, if you would like full step-by-step training on building channels for profit, then check out the links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and until next time.